Procreate 5.4 introduces a refresh of the brush library, allowing you to switch between multiple libraries, customize brush icons and previews, and search for brushes. Many of the brushes in the default library have also been replaced with new ones designed to offer better texture, responsiveness, and artistic utility. Let's dive into the details of these updates. To access the brush libraries view, open the brush selector. You can either pinch inwards on the left side of the list, or tap the currently selected brush libraries label and choose Back to Libraries. This action takes you to the main library view, which provides an overview of all of your brush collections. As you can see, I can toggle between the default brushes and my own custom collections. These brushes are available on my website at aaronrutten.com. This library view is very useful if you have a lot of brushes and you want to better organize them. Or if you share your iPad with kids, you can give them their own set for simplicity and peace of mind that they aren't tinkering with your brush properties. You can easily reorder your libraries by dragging and dropping them. Tap and hold on the libraries to rename, duplicate, share, and delete them. With a library selected, you can also rename and share it by tapping on the label. Next, let's have a look at the new default brushes. If you've been using an older version of Procreate, your original default brushes have been automatically saved to a new library called Classic Library. This ensures that you don't lose any default brushes that you are used to. There are 180 new brushes. The updated categories are pencils, pens, inks, markers, pastels, oils, paints, gouache, watercolors, charcoals, basics, lettering, comics, design, grunge, street art, digital, and creative. The updated brush categories are represented by these helpful icons, which help you quickly identify each category. You can even assign these nifty icons to your own custom brush categories. Just tap and hold on the category and choose Customize Icon. There are lots to choose from. Another useful update is the ability to choose better previews for the brushes in the library. I'll select one of my brushes, then tap on it again to open the Brush Studio. If I look under Preview, you'll see there are more options to help better render the stroke in the preview. I'll set these properties to mid values. Size controls the thickness of the preview stroke. As you can see, I can taper the ends. Pressure minimum controls the lightest pressure in the stroke, and pressure scale controls the maximum pressure or the whitest point in the stroke. If I switch to a watercolor brush, I can now render the stroke with wet mix to show how pressure affects the concentration of pigment. And if I choose a flat brush that can be tilted, like this palette knife, I can customize the angle of the rendered preview. This better indicates that this brush can be tilted. With so many brushes available, it can be difficult to remember where your favorite brushes are located. Procreate now offers a brush search feature that makes it easy to hunt down the brush you want. Open a library and swipe down on the list of brushes. Then enter the name of the brush in the search bar. Procreate will search all categories and libraries and label them accordingly. The last brush library update we will explore is the change to renaming brushes. Prior to the 5.4 update, you'd do this in the Brush Studio under About This Brush. Now it's much simpler. Tap and hold on a brush and choose Rename. That concludes our look at the brush library updates in Procreate 5.4. Take some time to explore these changes and see how they can enhance your digital painting experience. And if you're not already enrolled in my Procreate Masterclass, check that out if you want to become more confident working in Procreate. I'll link you to that in the video description.